so it videos you.
Yeah.
And I'll make sure it doesn't fall over.
Yeah.
Careful.
Big one. Now it is, yeah.
Alright, come in this side. Keep a steady course, Andy.
Alright, skip it.
Don't get too wet up there.
Wow.
Okay.
Fantastic. Blue skies this morning.
30 knots of wind now.
I don't know what that is, but it's a lot. I was getting a suntan this morning.
Now with that gust then was 38 knots.
38 knots! Wow! Oh, where did it all go wrong? I think it all went wrong.
Mediterranean.
This beats IBM any day. I better not show it to you at work now, either, having just said that. Oh dear, where did it go wrong? Never went wrong.
How long does it go on?
As long as it stopped after about 3 minutes.
Oh, it's
You can only have a file, yeah.
probably stopped already then.
Yeah.